This is me, and these are my cousins. And today we are applying for an animal hospital. So wish us luck on this journey. Hi guys! Today we're going to be playing Animal Hospital. Oh, yeah. Alright, start now. Break it up until you find out what's really happening. Ooh. So guys, what shift do y'all think we're gonna make it to?
It's just 5.
I think we're at least gonna make it to 7 or 8 or 9. Because if MJ and his friend make it,
I do this person.
So since I'm just gonna do stuff. No, you can do the next patient.
Coming in, sir?
What?
Can I get it?
Alright. Y'all shift 1 is empty. Oh,
There you go. Alright, take this.
Excelente. Okay, you're back. I wanna go in here. Okay, this is my patient. Boom, shakalaka, boom, shakalaka, boom, 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 shakalaka, boom. That's my patient. Boom, shakalaka, boom, shakalaka, boom, 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 shakalaka, boom.
Because that patient right here, let's look at the photo.
Let's see.
Is that you?
No, it's not. This my patient, Lyric.
Oh,
How the voice thing now? My patient, yes. It's alright, dude. Somebody had killed Wacky before. Yeah, why? I mean, move your feet, bro. Oh, wait, you got bruises. Get out, Way. You should just check through the window. Okay. And then the next one is yours. I mean, there won't be no next one until next check. Oh, my baby feels much more better now. Come on, Wacker. I am Wet Tina. Okay. Hey, brother.
it's not your brother.
Shut up. Wet Tina. I mean, Wet the way. That's really bad, actually. Yo, what's name? Okay. I'm opening new facilities for you. This workshop will be open for a limited time each shift. Hey, Tay. What you looking at? If only I...
Just gotta wait for him to feel better. When he says I'm hungry, I'm gonna back up.
Okay, I can feed him.
No. When he says I'm hungry, he's gonna try to eat it. So we can't let him. Girl.
Fine.
Just like that. That's what he gonna do with us.
Oh, okay. How?
No, I thought he said I'm hungry.
Eat that.
Hit myself. Hit myself. I hit myself. that stuff. Hit that stuff. Hit that stuff, girl. Hit that stuff. Hit that stuff, girl. Hit that stuff. What is that outside? No. Oh, the camera. Face camera.
This camera, Gary. Gary.
Yep, stop thinking in the nose. Stop! Go wash your hands in the Go wash it in the kitchen.
I'm scared. I don't want to do it. Wait a minute.
Hit that stuff. Hit that stuff. Hit that stuff.
This camera, Gary.
This game I
Gary.
scary. Oh, the doctor here. Some patients may seem unstable. Okay.
This sticky. With a flap.
Make sure the photo is
Stay look.
Oh, yes. Where did he be going? It was impossible.
What was right here?
Big back. Big back by nature. Big back by nature. Not because I hate you. Not because I hate you. Big back by nature. Big back by nature. Move up the way, bro. Hey there, friend. I'm Barney the dinosaur. If you can weigh 107 minutes. Stop.
That is all for today. We had really fun filming this video, and feel free to comment down below what game we should play next or job. I know it was only 3 players this time. It was originally supposed to be 4, but our 4th player couldn't make it. So comment down below. Bye.